Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X8A and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to begin with a quicker way of checking the serial number. We can use a secret code. So let's start with entering the dialer, the keypad, and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. It should not happen, but it is just in case. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and tap on the status, and as you can see, the serial number is almost at the very bottom of the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.